Hello friends, this is Irene again. Welcome to my channel Everyday English Vocabulary by Irene. Hope everyone doing great. Today I am again with 5 more vocabularies. So let's start. List of vocabularies are alien, alike, alive, allegation, alert. Alien, alien, alien. Its mean belonging to another country or race. Belonging to another country or race. Its opposite word is native. Its mean associated with the place or circumstances of the person birth. For example, Mr. Brian is an alien in our country. Alike, like, like. Its mean like one another or very similar. Like one another or very similar. Its opposite word is unlike. Its mean completely different from a person or thing. For example, father says that all Hindi songs are alike to him. Alive, alive, alive. Its mean still living and not dead. Still living and not death. Its opposite word is death. It means no longer alive. For example, they were so cruel that they burnt him alive. Allegation, allegation, allegation. It means a statement that someone has done something wrong or illegal, but that has not been proved. A statement that someone has done something wrong or illegal, but that has not been proved. Its opposite word is denial. It means a statement saying that something is not true. For example, he failed to prove the allegation he had made in his speech. Alert, alert, alert. It means distribute as shares. Distribute as shares. Its opposite word is withhold. It means to refuse to give someone something. For example, he was entrusted with the task of allotting duties to the workers. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel to learn more vocabularies and don't forget to click bell icon to get more videos. Thanks again. Bye bye. Take care.